चैनल एंड न्यू डे। आज मैं आई हूँ नेचर्स ड्रीमलैंड। ये जो रिसोर्ट है दिस इज लोकेटेड इन इगतपुरी। In reception area, we were asked our iCard proof and some basic details. After filling out those details, we moved straight to check-in to our beautiful room, and the walk from the reception area to our room was really beautiful. The fact that this resort is covered with tree plantation from all the side is really eye-pleasing, and they have plantation of coconut tree, mango tree and various other tree and flowers in the campus. And to protect their property, they have levied heavy penalty if you pluck the flower or leaf. अगर बात की जाए चेक इन टाइम की, तो चेक इन टाइम था 1 o'clock in the afternoon and next day 11 o'clock का चेकआउट था. Also they have two type of rooms. One is like wooden cottages and the other one is like tent house. अगर आप wooden cottages select करते हो तो you only get the option of garden facing rooms. और अगर आप tent house select करते हो तो you have two option. One is like garden facing and the other one is like swimming pool facing. And since we did the booking 1 week prior, so we got the option to get the room of our choice, so we selected swimming pool facing tent house. The amenities in the tent house and wooden cottages both were exact same. At the time of booking we were little skeptical while booking the tent house. As I already mentioned, ये जो campus है this is covered with greenery from all the side, और जहाँ पर greenery होते हैं वहाँ पे तो insects होंगे ही, but to our surprise room के अंदर एक single insect भी नहीं था. They have really maintained their property. This is the cottage stay that they have. Apart from the outdoor activities, they even have indoor activities. Now let's go and see कि क्या-क्या है indoor activities में इनके पास. You already saw the swimming pool in the video, how clean it was. Apart from that, जो indoor activities है उसमें था table tennis, chess and carom. After seeing the indoor activities, उसके ही opposite में आपको दिखेगा garden area. So come let's go and see the garden area now. The cottages which we selected was a swimming pool, and now you can see cottages over here which are like garden view cottages. Even have small play area for kids, so अगर आपके साथ kids हैं तो फिर it's good for them also. This resort seemed to be complete package for the one who are visiting with families or kids and friends, since they had everything which is required for a peaceful vacation of a day or a two. After exploring the swimming pool, indoor activities, outdoor activities, garden area, kids zone, it was now time to explore the dining area and have some good meal. So they have good dining area which I can see over here. I think at a time यहाँ पे at least 50 लोग accommodate हो सकते हैं. Also they have two type of package. One is like which includes complimentary breakfast, which is the one which we took, and the other one includes even the lunch, dinner and the next day breakfast. They charge you 2500 extra for that. इवनिंग के 7 o'clock, और अगर जो resort का जो view इस वक्त हो रखा है काफ़ी ज़्यादा beautiful लग रहा है. Good morning, this is day 2 of our stay at Nature's Dreamland Resort. अभी हम जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए. जो ब्रेकफास्ट है वो हमारे पैकेज में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है, तो लेट्स सी कि ब्रेकफास्ट कैसा है इनका. They had good menu in the breakfast which included sandwich, poha, idli dosa, jam and bread and butter. As compared to other dishes, poha was more good. After having our breakfast, we packed our bags and it was time to leave this resort. आप भी ये resort visit करने का plan कर रहे हो तो after the checkout even you can plan for Trambakeshwar, because Trambakeshwar यहाँ से सिर्फ 1 hour की distance में है. और so goodbye for today, and do follow my channel for more such videos in the future. Do like, share and subscribe.